The fourth question says, what are the points on the y-axis whose distance from the line this is 4 units? Points on the y-axis whose distance from the line this is 4 units. So what do the points on the y-axis look like? And what is the formula of distance of a point from a line? Those are two important things that we'll need over here. So any point on the y-axis, will look like 0 comma k, you can say, right? The x coordinate will be 0. Since this is the origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, any point here will look like this, right? The x coordinate of that particular point will be 0. Okay. The next thing that I'll need is, for any line ax plus by plus c equals 0, if you want to find the distance of q x1 comma y1 from this particular point, d will be equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square, and you take a modulus. This is what the distance looks like, right? Those are two formulae which will be useful in this case, right? What does the person say? The person says, what are the points on the y-axis whose distance from the line? Okay, distance is given as 4 units. Okay, so point, let p 0 comma k is the required point. Okay, and distance from P is equal to 4 implies distance from P of this particular line. So we can substitute this point over here and see where does that take us. So let's write the equation of line and see, this is 0 upon 3 plus k upon 4 minus 1 upon under root of 1, coefficient is 1 by 3, right? Square it and it will give you 1 by 9. Coefficient is 1 by 4, which will be 1 by 16. You take the modulus, this modulus is equal to 4. Right? That's what I get. Is that okay? Yes. Seems okay. So after this, the next step will be to simplify this equation. So this is 0, this is k by 4 minus 1 and its modulus, which is equal to what? 4 times this under root, this is positive, this will go on the right hand side, this is it. And 16 plus 9 is 25 in the numerator. You have 9 and 16, the product on the denominator. What does this simplify into? This is 5, 3, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. This is 5 by 3 actually, right? And the value of k by 4 minus 1 modulus is equal to this. Therefore, k by 4 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, or k by 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3. That's what I get. Right? This is what I get. Let's find the value of k from here. K by 4 will be equal to 5 by 3 plus 1, which is 8 by 3, and this tells me k equals 32 by 3. Or let's solve for the other value of k, and where does that take me? If k by 4 is equal to 1 minus 5 by 3, which is minus 2 by 3, and this tells me k will be equal to minus 8 by 3. So there are this or this, there are two possible values of k, and that's my answer for this question, as you can see over here. Right? That's a complete solution, and we required these two ideas so for solving this question.